Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me and Charlie today. I have decided to come on and do a very quick video because I know that I'm not going to see you for a couple of weeks and I'm going to miss you all so very much. So I thought I'd just pop on. I did promise to share with you some wedding things. Don't start. You've only been on the camera 2 minutes and he's already up to his naughty tricks. Oh my goodness me, I'm going to miss him so much when we go away. Really so much. I don't know what I'm going to do without him actually. Oh, don't put hairs all over that. Right, okay, so I'm sorry I haven't done any giveaways. I promise I'll make it up to you when I get back. It's just been mad. Had a bit of a hair disaster the other day. No, pack it in. Oh, goodness me. Right, you're going to have to get off now because I need to show everyone some things. I promised you some wedding things, and so just get this one first. So I found my wedding perfume. Me and the girlies went into our shopping centre the other day and I wanted a wedding perfume and was looking and smelling all these perfumes and I was thinking, oh, not sure, nothing sort of fitted. And there was this one on the shelf and it's actually called It's So Good to Be Bad. And I thought, my friend said to me, that's a funny name for a perfume. And I thought, oh, let's smell it. But oh my gosh, when she got the perfume bottle out, I knew that this was going to be the one. Look at this. It is a stiletto shoe. Look. It was made for me. It's called It's So Good to Be Bad, and it is a stiletto shoe. And you take this off and there's your bottle of perfume and it smells amazing. It is just delicious. So I found my wedding perfume. Actually I'll be wearing this all the time because I love it. It is by Carolina Herrera, New York, who I've never heard of before, but the perfume smells delicious. And look at the bottle. Look, it's a little shoe. Isn't that just delicious? So that is my wedding perfume. I found it in the shop and I love it. Love it. So I'm also borrowing my daughter's tiara that she wore at her wedding. Whoops, let me get it out of the box. So this is the tiara that I am wearing and it was my daughter's. Look at that. Isn't that just... It is absolutely gorgeous. My original hairdo that you saw, stop it, in the video. No. I'm not having that anymore because... Long story, funny story actually. Because obviously getting married abroad is very hard, and I thought, oh my gosh, the expense of a hairdresser over there, and you don't know whether they're going to do it like you want to. So I had a hair trial here, which you saw what it looked like. And my friend watched and she said, oh, I can do that, no problem. She won't watch my videos, don't worry. So anyway, I was supposed to have a hair trial last week, but she wasn't very well, so I had to go Tuesday. And she couldn't recreate it. It wasn't her fault, bless her. She tried so hard, but the hairpiece that I was using, because she put so much hairspray in my hair, ended up looking like a bird's nest. In fact, I can probably get it and show you it. Oh, I don't know if I haven't got it. I've thrown it away, I think. Let me just see. Okay, I've got it. So the hairpiece that I was using, obviously when it first arrived, it was nice and tidy and looked lovely, and it's been used a couple of times. And now look, it looks like a flipping bird's nest. And when she put it in my hair, yeah, that's all it's worthwhile for doing, biting. Look at it. I mean, you know, from a distance it looked all right, but up close, look at that. That was in my hair and it looked like, ouch, a bird's nest. A bird's nest, Charlie. And it is awful. No, I've got to get this out of his hands. I've got to be able to do it. Ouch. He's going to bite me. So that's what it ended up looking like. Look, that was in my hair. So that is not happening now. That is gone. That is history. So this is the tiara that I am wearing, that my daughter, I'm going to put it back in the box before Charlie tries to attack it. So that is my tiara. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it's 48 hours and we will be leaving this time next week. Oh my gosh, I will be getting ready to get married. Right, so that's my tiara I'm wearing. And in the evening, I found this really fun headband. Look, it's, no, Charles. Look, it's got bride on it. And it's got like a twinkly ring. It's a headband. And I'm going to wear this in the evening as a bit of a joke. No, pack it in, you're so naughty. So that's going there, mustn't forget that. Let's put that over there. I have been packing, but I wanted to show you some things before. Now, this is my wedding present to Charmin, and I'm going to move Charles because I don't want him, come here, I don't want him to, he's going to get grumpy now. Oh my gosh, you took that with you. I don't want him to wreck it. So I'm going to show you his wedding present. Hopefully he won't watch the videos because he doesn't watch all of them. So I wanted to get him a very special present. See, I got my pajamas on so early in the morning. I wanted to get him his special wedding day present, and this is the box. It says keep your cool, because he's going to be panicking, only because he gets quite nervous with lots of people, and it's, it's a big thing, isn't it? So he's going to be probably, panicking, making sure he gets everything right. So it says keep your cool, which I loved. And look, I bought him a watch from Fossil. He loves blue, so he doesn't actually wear a watch. And I thought, but what I've done is I've got it engraved, and I don't know if you can see the engraving there. It's been engraved, and it says, in this moment, time stood still, 27th of the 6th, 19. And I've set it for 3 o'clock, the time that we're getting married. So that's his wedding present from me. And I've also got him some other little bits and pieces, but they are all wrapped up. So those are his presents. Oh, it's so super exciting, but very nerve-wracking because of not getting married. I'm not nervous getting married. I'm nervous of remembering everything. And look, I've had my nails done. These are my nails, and they're all sparkly and gold. To match my outfit, obviously. So I've had all my nails done. Oh, I had one more thing to share with you, and I'd have to pause it to go get it. 1 second. Okay, so I have one last thing to share with you. Look, our wedding rings. They are here. Now you can see my engagement rings. Let me zoom in. So this is my engagement ring, and this was supposed to be a wedding band set. But I kind of wanted something a little bit bigger for my wedding ring. So he let me have that as my eternity ring early. So these are my engagement rings, but let me take these off so I can show you our wedding rings. Because you're not going to be there on the day. And I just thought, oh God, I can't get these off now. Right, so I thought I might share them with you. Now, my engagement ring, as you can see, has got these baguettes down the side like that. See that? So let me just see. So this is my wedding ring, and it has the baguettes down the side to match my engagement ring. So oh, look, I shouldn't really put it on, but I've been testing it out. Look, so that's my wedding ring, which it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. But with my engagement ring, it is even better. Look, it fits so lovely. Look at that. I cannot wait to be Mrs. Wise. There you go. And this is his ring. So look, he has one that has some stones in as well, and we've gone for the white gold. So this is his wedding band. So there's our rings. I'd better take it off, hadn't I? And we better not forget to take them. I'll put them back in a special place with all our documents that we have to remember. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm not going to see you guys for 2 weeks, but I will be busy having a super lovely time. And if I can, say hi, I will do if I get a spare moment, but I doubt if I will. But anyway, I just wanted to share all these lovely things, say hi to you before I go. Oh gosh, and next time I probably see you, I will be Mrs. Wise. I'll be a married woman. So I just wanted to say hi and share a few bits with you, and I shall see you all really, really soon. I hope you have a lovely couple of weeks as well, whatever you're all doing. And I'll try and keep you posted. And thanks to everyone who's just give me the most wonderful send off, so to speak. Oh my gosh, 48 hours and we'll be getting ready to leave to go to the airport. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I'm super excited. As you can probably tell, I'm talking really fast and I've got so much more to do, and I've got cases everywhere, and oh my gosh, so much to do. So I better get on. I love you guys, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.